That shit is hot. Ooh, wait. Hold on. Let me get my composure real quick.
This is no joke.
Just a little nippy. Oh, fuck. This is no joke.
You went jumping into the deep end.
Oh shit.
With everybody from World Star to ABC News going floor to ceiling with it.
Oh! Guess what got me?
Alright, Shaq.
Oh, you
Acting a
fucking liar.
Shaq did
Oh.
fool. It's undeniable.